This is a TRS-80 Model 1 Revision G reproduction. I'm building this board for a project where I have a TRS-80 Model 1 case and keyboard, but no main board. I also have a TRS-80 Model 1 monitor. So I've been building this board over the last few weeks. I've now installed the RAM chips. I still do not have a working power supply. So while I'm waiting for some transformers to arrive, I'm using a meanwhile to provide the +5, -5, and the +12. And I still haven't installed all the circuitry for the voltage regulation. At the moment, I haven't tested the monitor, so I'm just using a LCD monitor that supports composite. And we have a diagnostics ROM installed thanks to Dave and Adrian. And we're just going to power it up. We get audio through the cassette port, which is brilliant. And it looks like the first 16K is passed. Okay, I'm very pleased with our progress so far. This is looking really good. Okay. Now I guess I should start working on the keyboard. Yep, the audio is pretty cool, but it does become annoying fairly quickly. But it is brilliant that we can produce audio out of the cassette port on the TRS-80 Model 1. And the diagnostics ROM is really useful, as I now know that my RAM is all working. Absolutely brilliant. Catch you next time.